Morning. Welcome to M Resort. Can I borrow your IC for check-in, sir? So you'll be checking for one night. The suite room. So the suite room will be entitled for the breakfast, evening cocktail, and also a laundry for this package. So the room will be on the 8th floor, number 5. I will show you the way, sir.